as we speak, we are into the 25th of July in Bharat. And technically, Prime Minister Narendra Modi becomes the second longest continuous term serving Prime Minister after Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So he eclipses Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Your thoughts on his leadership and how much of a difference his leadership has made in Bharat also straightening equations with politically adverse leaders, nations. Maldives, he's in Maldives right now. The Labour was against a trade deal in the first place in Britain. Now they've signed the trade deal. You see how Canada has turned around with Mark Carney. So Maldives, yes, Maldives, Sri Lanka, yeah. So
Prime
your
Minister
thoughts?
Modi is truly a statesman, a visionary, a very sensitive human being, caring, concerned about smaller countries, the global south, the less developed countries. And more importantly than anything else, he's a good human being. He has completed his term so far as the second longest serving, but this is only the beginning. He has a lot of ambition, a lot of dreams for our country. He wants to make this country the most consequential and most important country. And the people of India deserve a better life, a better future, which Prime Minister Modi is committed to giving. So he is going to become the longest serving Prime Minister in this country. He has miles to go. He has huge aspirations for the country. He's committed to working the way he usually does to strengthen our relations across the world. He's received 27 international honors.
Yes.
I don't know of a parallel anywhere in the world of that kind of respect and adulation. He's been the most popular leader for the last 11 years across the world. Undisputedly,